Let's move to data expression. Order ID is given, order date is given. Order date is coming, number of days. How to get it to date value?
Formatting.
Format cell to
Date.
date. I won't replicate the same thing to here. What will I do now?
Format painter.
Format painter. Do I need to do any formatting to these columns?
No.
No.
Can I do a formatting to
Yes.
this column?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How to do this?
Number.
Format cell to?
Number, zero decimal, use thousand separate.
1000,
How will I present my cost price, selling price?
percentage.
rupees,
Rupees.
currency,
Format cell to currency. How do you present your discount to profit margin? What will you do now?
Decimal, zero,
Percentage, decimal,
zero decimal.
How to calculate the sales? Units sold multiplied with what? Selling price. Yes or no, guys?
Yes. yes, sir.
How to get the discounted amount? The selling price multiplied with what? Discount percentage. How to calculate the profit margin? Selling price to be multiplied with profit margin percentage. This is the profit margin. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Test. Shall we do the final test here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is the data which is coming from a restaurant. Customer gone this date, timestamp, invoice number, customer order for what? Tandoori. Tandoori half chicken. What is the price of the tandoori half chicken? 200 rupees. How much quantity ordered? One quantity. Wasn't discount amount? No. Isn't tax? Yes, there are 5% tax.
Tax, yes.
How do you want to format the price?
Rupees.
Currency.
Because tandoori name will not come in what US? Quantity is there. How do you want to discount? This is also price. Discount is in price here. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tax is what? Format cell to?
Percentage.
Zero decimal.
How to price? How to get price after
Discount.
discount? How to get that?
Price into
Price minus
discounted number.
price pound.
Tax.
Does it make sense to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is called price after discount.
Yes.
How to go for getting tax amount? So how to get the sales? Sales should be what?
Price
Quantity
into
multiplied with price
Not
after discount.
price.
How to get your tax amount? The sales should be
tax.
no sales multiplied with what? Tax percentage.
Tax percentage.
How to get sales after tax? What will do now? The sales minus to tax.
Tax.
Did you understand, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to go with them? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now final test. Row ID, order ID, country code, order number, order date is coming as what?
Days.
What will do
Number
now?
of days.
Date.
Format sale,
Format
date. Okay.
How to go for shipping date then?
Format painter.
Format painter.
Can you see there are some blanks in the postal code?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
to replace these blanks with 999? Select control, column P, control F. Wherever the blank is coming, replace by what? 5 times 9. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then going to the right, how to get the discounted amount? The sales to be multiplied with what?
Discount.
Discount.
How to get the sales revenue? How to go for profit margin? The profit over sales. Which format will go for sales? Since it is a global sales, format cell currency with what?
Dollar.
USA dollar. I want to apply this to what? Discounted amount, profit margin, and shipping cost. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What you want to do the discount here? Format cell with
Percentage.
the same percentage. I want to highlight for what?
Margin.
Margin.
Negative margins are there. I want to highlight that. What I'll do now? Conditional
Conditional
formatting,
format.
highlight if it is less than.
Less than
0.
0%.
Is it highlighted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.